August thum sang ni som ni parugani World Cup aso to amaro chu FIFA President Bawruak ero hi je la hot chho don chau ni na langani ama hi bang tura du tun tam to lu tugani I bang don lo ani chuanin vote of no confidence hi ma chon tho tho ngai don tin pol tam tak UEFA ta thlengin an vo ani a om khop mai he thi la hi chu World Cup awangin ama hi amual pho sep to atun World Cup athil theng neu neu awang khan politics te han ron in rolamo chuan suma du lu tuk ni na langani Gianni Infantino hi sum adu lu tuk na lama hianin amual pho pha ni na langani to na hian kha nia kum tam tak chung aming thatna tianga lo cher chho ve to kha engamo wang hlek khan tu na jani cheta vek mai ni mi tam tak chuanin ama hi an hriat dan kum khwa to tur chu suma du lu tuka FIFA te the hand stake te ti hat sal kwal vel kha lo tuma private investor te kha tiang kha ni na ru ka som le tiang kha engman ni thil kha ti zung kha tuma thil ni lo pui ang khan chu wang chuanin suma du lu tuk na lama te ha damol phau ta ni kha tiang anga hriat reng kha ani to don ni na langani tuam FIFA President hi mo engpon ni se he thi la hi kan reaction mai in he ka sil du chewani Home, furniture and decor, lower Chan Mari, Dr. Selbonga building hianin lo waleng lut veula ani hi manufacturer lian tak living concepts by urban living tenena franchise deal siam thengat ania hi hin an rin tak ziate an quality that ziate atilang chiang ani atin ani hi home furniture and decor hi Hmar business network noyaka growth partner program atel thingat kha ania ke chon in business rin tlak chau thopui ga du ni poisa min pe theina zong ka thopui du lo ka nar them to tunai page ni Instagram ai he ka nar ngun view mai mo poisa min pe thei ring ka thopui du lo rin tlak tak customer care thasi quality box si mo khang chau ka thopui du wa chung ka thopui te ji ga chuanin home furniture and decor te hi antelani ti kha kan ron shil Vedu shim karan shetir vedu shim chewani to kan react nang
total number of valid votes for Gianni Infantino 115
hey FIFA President atin chau lai vel khan ya aboro kha chu a thang rang kha mai ti lai kha chuan
in peril having been brought in to clean up FIFA
the money of FIFA
achan chu FIFA President chuak ta po kha corruption te ilo vela wang khan in ming chelu tu ka ni ti chuanin he pa hi khatiang ang buaina neu ron thian fai fektura FIFA President ata na lak lu ani sum atam aniang tin sum mina nei nga to hi chuanin an mi je tak hi ron lang chuak ni hianin alang thina FIFA corruption vel tire tura lak lu kha tu na chuanin hei corruption chu ni chi alawa amaro chu athil che dan le thilan ti kol vel dana hianin sum hi adu mel ani mo
is your money it's not the money of the FIFA president
now the rebellion against Gianni Infantino is intensifying
to na hi chuanin ama du lo na hi boro hi lian to em mai ni chu makpo ti lo amakpo ti lo mo
even after being forced to scrap plans to sell off the World Cup to private investors after more
private investor ta thena hanin World Cup a hei a stake chen khat te kha shal tu mani kha tianga ni kha chuanin World Cup kha private investor kha tianga I sum tam tak ron invest tu te khanin thu nei na khan rod nei to don lu tu ka ni kha tianga ni kha chuanin kha private investor te khan an ngai to tur chu sum tam tak siam thei dan tur che kha an ron ngai to don khang te kha chu businessman entrepreneur lian turu brulo tuk ang khan ni vek don kha tiang chi te kha chu mo chu ba zo ani kha chuanin FIFA lampang te football lampang te a tournament ti ang chi ve khan ngai to don lo engtin nge FIFA tournament te kal tang hianin sum kan siam theyang ti ringot khan rot ngai to don anni te kha chuan khang ang ngai to na le khang ang mi hring tur ang te kha FIFA President Gianni Infantino hianin FIFA a hianin ting hanin hroilu atumani hei hi an du lo khop mai nei achan chu football hlut na te kha abo vek don ti kha mi tam tak ngai da na ni
emergency talks UEFA said we cannot keep going on like this with secret schemes on fast-track timescales cooked up by faceless individuals and of dubious benefit to the game. We must identify those responsible and hold them to account. UEFA will devise a plan to make sure it cannot occur again. That review should be thorough and fundamental. No option should be off the table.
UEFA hianin FIFA President che dan hi han dem khop maya tin pol tam tak hianin an dem na sa ran khop maya World Cup le apo kan ram te hi an ron tel lawang ti hialin tu na hianin Gianni Infantino hi an vawani achan chu hian Infantino hian in hei heta an ron soyang hian UEFA ina statement a ron siamang hian in arukin rang takin eng thil emoni hi alo ti zung thini na langani tin khanga te po hanin tu tenge in nam noya khatiang kha engma kha transparency langtang taka thil ti kha a omlo ti kha a chiang ma ti chuan khatianga langtang taka thil ti a omlawa aru khatianga rang taka thil chin fel ani zung kha UEFA chuanin a tha ti lawa he thil hi chuanin ani lo pui te miril rudik lo pui te kha tiang football khowela hen hi blue don ti kha an hrechiang ani chuwang chuanin UEFA statement lampang te UEFA lampang po hen tiang hianin statement hian ron siam chuaka heng thila in nam noi zong te FIFA President tiamin aniang heng thila in nam noi zong te hi zon chuaweka an chunga action la khi a tula ni tin UEFA lampang hian an ron tong chuang heng heya hetiang thil hi bo soinu Cristiano Ronaldo always against me ati ha ka she chuak thin always against me ati ha ka she chuak thin.
This man on the left, CONCACAF's president, Canadian Victor Montagliani, is tipped as a potential successor. His organisation announced it will use FIFA procedures to take action. So will the Football Association. During the World Cup, this was their chair, Debbie Hewitt, presenting an England shirt, now calling for a full and robust review of FIFA's leadership and governance.
World Cup lai te po khanin hetiang hianin jersey te po an lo in pe a England lampang hian mo amaro chu tuna chuanin Infantino hi athil ti dan hi adiklo FIFA leadership te FIFA ina ama en kol dan te heng te hi abula tanga chui chian ve ka ngai ni
What's provoked so much anger is how Infantino conceived the plans in secret to create a new venture for the money-making parts of FIFA and selling off 20% to private investors.
Tuna FIFA stake shal chen. Atum na hi chu thuran ni ta se. Trumpan FIFA President vakola red card hi sud le ro tiang chi zo avakola khatiang red card han sud le taringot ang chi te khata tang khanin hetiang boruak hi aron om chho na sa to ani tin Argentina te pokami dam tak chuanin shrem tur ani tiang zo te pokanin an tia World Cup final ma khan amaro chu World Cup final khel zo a chi khatiang khanin action te khan la chho vel ta khang kha mitam tak ngai dana chuanin thil diklaw ani FIFA President hi engemoni ama hianin thil diklaw amani ti kha an ngai dan ni chho than to ani chutiang chuanin World Cup kha zo ta hetiang hianin ma ala chho le khang langa chuwang chuanin ani ni to lawan ti ani
And if I can get the US jersey.
The $20 billion venture was called a bad deal for football by this man, Carlos Cordero, who was Infantino's senior advisor until we revealed yesterday he had quit in protest.
Thank you.
Hepapo hi Infantino senior advisor ania abang de meni Infantino thil ti dan hi a tha ti lawa mo midik tak chu FIFA pon an lo om amaro chu luber a president ber kha ati ang ril ru aput miwa wang khan adik thei lo hrim ani
with the politics creeping into the level and the heights that it's gotten to now, to the extent that it's threatening to cripple him, bring him down, is quite unfortunate and sad to see. When I heard it, it took me 3 seconds to say that's an absolute no-no, without even hearing the details. The problem here is nobody was consulted, nobody knew these talks were going on, nobody knew of this plan.
FIFA President na athil ti tum shrim hi bo tu man an shet pui lo ani FIFA President hian tu ma ron lo bok ti hianin amadu danin tian akal top ti kha chiang ani chuwang chuanin midam takina FIFA hi a corrupt ple ni ti an ti na chan te poi to chuanin a shet thiam kor thei to ani
He just presented it.
The financing was planned with Joshua Kushner, the brother of Donald Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner, deepening concerns about cronyism and Infantino cozying up to Trump.
Locks hemi plena hianin hepa hi Donald Trump engtin mo tu na soida
Joshua Kushner, the brother of Donald Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner.
The brother of Donald Trump's son-in-law. The brother of Donald Trump's son-in-law. Okay, anin kung ka inai view. Amaro chu direct related to ni chuang lawa.
Deepening concerns about cronyism and Infantino cozying up to Trump.
Politics in rol na sa tao don ti ha hriat.
It's leaving fans troubled about whether FIFA can ever clean up its act.
Yeah, Infantino hi FIFA corruption tire to lak lu khania tu na zonin corruption po ni chuang si lo amaro chu tu ma ron lem lawa he tianga direct a rang taka lo ti pop pop a hi hemi hi chu ama hin a tour don FIFA president hi ani rei ring to lo Gianni Infantino hi.
I think they're going to go, aren't they?
I think it's a great idea to try and get them to step out of it because it's just taking away the football from the fans.
Oh, hey nia fans lampang te pon Gianni Infantino hi than ti to lo mo.
He has succeeded in spreading money around international football, lots more countries involved and stuff. I mean, football is a business, it's a huge industry.
It's all that greed and money, nothing about football at all.
Football lamang ay saklo. Sumtia du ni ni.
Nothing about football.
It absolutely shows that he's not interested in football or the good of football. He's interested in lining his own pockets.
Football ay na tui tak tak lo. Ama na sumalak lu thei na tur chau hi angai to ni ni.
It's 11 years since Sepp Blatter quit FIFA in disgrace.
Sepp Blatter. He pa po hi. mualpho takin FIFA president ni na ren abang to ni chuak to ni tuna Gianni Infantino hi ting hian in nor choin om don ni in alang ani khami kha FIFA president chungchang ani enge soidu in nei comment section a han ron soiru soi chak ka ga amaro to ka soi chak zong zong ka soi vek chuanin ti thin rim ka nga don lu to ka chu wa chuanin ka soi lo meang amaro chu ama Gianni Infantino hi aban ka ring a president rei ka ring lo ama abang ani lo pon an nor chho tho ka ring video lai mulai cheu do ni